We ready to go? Well, too bad. We're gonna go anyway. Oh! Nope! Oh! Or maybe we're just having servo issues. I don't know.
RC with Adam is brought to you in part by these super awesome people.
Well, we're back with the FT Mini Scout, and I know you guys wanted to see this thing fly with an FPV camera, and so that is what we're gonna do today. And I have done something that I have never done before, which is actually put an FPV camera on here on a servo. So it should be really awesome, and we should be able to see almost down each side of the wing. It's going to be great. I'm running this with a 550 milliamp hour 3-cell, which seemed to work pretty well before. We do have a little bit more weight in the back, but it's kind of forward of the leading, or of the middle of the spar, so we'll see how that goes. But first we need to see if this thing will actually fly as it is. This is pretty sketchy how this is on here. It's just kind of hot glued to this servo, but it's super cool. And I'm just controlling it through channel 4 because this is only a 4-channel receiver, so that's the channel I need to use. I could have made it so I could use like one of these knobs or something, but it just occurred to me that this would probably be the easiest way of doing that, so I can look left and right. It's kind of scary because if this thing crashes, this camera is probably all coming apart. So here we go. I've got the Tarsier camera, the Caddx Tarsier, and that, or Tarsier if you want to be fancy, and that should give us some better quality HD footage than the FPV camera. All right, we have plenty of power, so that shouldn't be a problem. Let's check our control surfaces. Let's turn on the high rates for now. So we seem to have free and correct movement. Oh, okay, it is pitching up a little. Oh yeah, it's pitching up quite a bit. Yeah, it's pitching up way too much. Here we go, we're gonna come in for a super gentle landing. That actually, wow, that was pretty super gentle. We'll use this one here, this 850. And this is, ooh, yeah, this is getting pretty tight. Oh, much better, much better. Nice glide, nice and smooth. Woo! Pretty good landings on this thing, I gotta tell you. Okay, controls are free and correct. We ready to go? Well, too bad, we're gonna go anyway. Here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna get a little oriented here, or I'm gonna kind of get us going this way and try to not stall us. Whoa, my gosh. Dude, that is so intense. Dude, oh, I keep wanting to do yaw. Oh, this is crazy. I keep wanting to yaw, but yaw doesn't actually turn me. It just turns the plane. Oh, it doesn't, it turns the camera. But honestly, I think because of the weight difference, I think it is actually turning that. All right, this is really scary. We're not up very high, like at all, but like I can't really see below me very well unless I dive. And my video just went out there, so this could get very exciting. I think I'm in a pretty good position though for the signal of everything. Uh-oh, well, my servo like kind of got stuck for a second or something. I don't know, this is crazy, man. Should we try like a loop or something? Whoa. All right, let's bring it down a little bit. Let's do a flyby. Oh my gosh. What a rush. I mean, I fly quads all the time, but this is just different, man. This is just different. Also, this video is a little bit sketchier. Hey, we're flying by that light pole that I smashed into that other time. Let's fly over it. Oh, and not smash into it. It's so weird. I keep forgetting that like I can look with the camera, but I can't, it doesn't actually turn me. It's very, very strange. Also, there's like so many wobbles going on that like it constantly feels like how it feels in a quad when like bad things are about to happen. Like, you know, like when the quad's gonna fall out of the sky. But that's just kind of normal for the airplane. Oh my gosh. Hello, there we are. Oh, there. Man, I haven't flown with this camera very much either. Okay, whoa there. I want to stay above those wires and things. I'm not sure how well the range is on this receiver, so we're not gonna go too far. It's really hard to tell like what the airplane is doing because it's just, well, it's so quiet, so you can't hear it very well, and it's just so bouncy, so that it's like, what is normal? It's hard to tell what like a normal cruise is. Like, I can't tell if I'm pitching up too much or down or what the deal is. But I have to remember that yawing left or right does not do anything. That's cool though. Like, we can kind of circle. Oh, there's our shadow. There's our shadow. Oh, that's fun. That is fun. It does really help when you're turning though. So that way you don't have to have like a super heavy bank all the time. We can almost kind of orbit this thing. Whoa, that's so cool. Let's look over this way. Hello. Let's go, let's see. There we are. Whoa. Wonder how close we can fly to that light pole. Probably shouldn't find out, eh? There it is. Woo! Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is really kind of a terrible aircraft for FPV in the sense that it's not super controllable or precise, and the you know, it's only 3 channels, so you don't have the option to just bank. Whoa, 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 very disorienting. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Let's bring her in. Oh, whoa. I was looking over too much, trying to think something was going to happen. Okay, let's bring her in for a landing. So I'll probably need to like kill the power right now, because this thing will glide like for a while. Let's bring her in and see how that goes. This is no power. Pulling up, pulling up. Oh! Wow, it felt like we were going way faster. Oh my gosh, that was exciting. And we saved it, we didn't crash. We didn't crash, that's really surprising. Nice and smooth. All right, going into the goggles now. Looking over. There we are, coming straight towards us. There we go. See, like, you know, normally I could just fly in this field, flying line of sight, but with the way the camera is and all that stuff, it does make it a bit more difficult to do that. Just because it feels weird. It feels like a really tight space when I'm flying this FPV. Also because I, you know, don't have a lot of practice flying this plane FPV. Again, let's see how low I can fly. I was trying to do that before, and then the battery went down on me. Whoa. Gosh, trying to climb up over those trees. Let's fly over here a little bit. The thing is, especially because I don't have OSD, it's very hard to tell whether the signal is cutting out or it's just a bumpy ride. kind of going around these light poles like they're pylons, but only in a very loose sense. See, even if I had like a throttle indication, that could be helpful. But I don't. So that's interesting. Let me see if I can fly by myself. Or do a flyby where I am. Yeah, and we kind of have to look right through the propeller, which is not super great. That's just one of those things about doing FPV on a regular type of airplane. There we go. We're heading right for that thing. Yeah, the controls are pretty touchy as well, I would say. Ah, get back up there, dude. There you go. There you go. Come on, come on, come on. Climb over those light poles. Jeez. It is cool just to do little, like, circling moves, since you can look down the side of the wing with the camera. It's very neat. Very, very neat. See, there's some construction over there. Oh, uh-oh. That's weird. Oh, jeez. Okay, the signal may have cut out there, because the servo kind of like returned to center. Or maybe we're just having servo issues. I don't know. As long as it doesn't, as long as we don't end up at the very top of these trees, then that will be good. Yeah, that servo's pretty choppy. Also, when I turn the camera, that kind of has a big aerodynamic effect as well. And there is some weight moving also, so it kind of has all kinds of different effects on here. Dive. That's fun. That propeller will just spin for a while. It starts spinning really fast just on a dive, even if I have the throttle cut. Let's kind of fly up here. Oh, I keep putting in that yaw when I don't need to. Yeah, it gets very squiggly when we start going slow. Yeah, I gotta do a good flyby here. Oh, there's our shadow. Ooh. Ooh, let me go the other way and we can chase our shadow. Let's do that. There's our shadow. Ah, chase it. Chase the shadow. Chase it. Hey, that's pretty cool. Whoa. A little too cool. Alright, we'll come up over here. That's like full throttle right there. Do a little dive, and then we'll come around here on this ridge line. Gotta keep that speed up. Or what am I saying? Ridge line. Wood line. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Oh yeah. You probably couldn't see that on the camera there, but that was pretty great. Oh no! Oh no! Oh oh oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, I wanted to get close, but not that close. Ooh! Oh man, I hope that recorded that on the actual camera, because we've been flying for a while here, so that might not have recorded it. Okay, I think that'll do it for today, because I'm probably almost about out of battery. So let's bring it in for a nice landing. Right in here, come on. Oh my goodness, that was not the nicest landing I've ever had, but that was pretty good. So, wow, that's pretty cool. You can see me over there. I'm waving. Hi. Well, it looks like you can fly the FT Mini Scout FPV. Is it the best? No, it's not the best for it, but it is certainly doable. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for your comments and your great suggestions. If you have any questions about this or comments, leave them down below and I will try to get to them. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again very soon.